Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. President Donald Trump announced a delay in imposing 50% tariffs on the European Union until July 9. However, the sudden reversal in Trump's stance is now seen as a positive shift that could improve market sentiment. Domestically, Indian markets have shown greater resilience compared to global counterparts, supported by strong macroeconomic data and FII's buying. The May Purchasing Managers Index rose to a 12-month high above 60, reflecting strong growth in both manufacturing and service sectors. To start with our first segment for Monday, 26 May 2025, Nifty Index opened on a positive note and witnessed strong buying interest right from the first tick, with bulls taking charge of the session. The index showed solid bullish momentum in the initial hour and successfully surpassed an immediate resistance of 24,750 levels. However, as the day progressed, the momentum faded as the index got stuck in a narrow range of 100 points and traded sideways on Friday. On the weekly chart, Nifty has formed a small-bodied bearish candle with longer lower shadow, indicating that buying interest is emerging from the lower levels. It formed a bullish candle on the daily chart, negating the sequence of lower highs and ended the day with gains of around 250 points. India VIX was slightly up to 17.3 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.09. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,300 to 25,300 levels, while immediate range is in between 24,600 to 25,000 levels. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 1,794 crores, while TIIs were buyers worth 299 crores. FII's long-short ratio increased to 33%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest now Nifty has to hold above 24,750 for an up move towards 25,100 and 25,300 levels, while supports have shifted higher to 24,600. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,250 for an up move towards 56,000 levels, while support can be seen at 54,850. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Angel One, Hindustan Copper, Tata Chemical, SBI Life, Jio Financial, ICICI Pro Life, while some weakness could be seen in GMR Airport, Polycab, Glenmark, Voltas and Biocon. Wish you a super day and a lovely week ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.